We're back at it again, taking the engine off today. I already did the transmission this morning. Well, it's still morning. I got 3 more bolts on the engine, then I'll pick it up. I'll roll the chassis out of the way, and I'll put the engine on an engine stand. I had to go to town and get the bolts, unless I can find some from what I took apart. And then I'll start tearing it down. You know, get all the accessories off that I don't want. You know, the AC brackets and the flex plate and the motor mounts. I'll pull the valve covers off because I'm gonna change those, and then I'll go through and strip the engine so I can send it to the machine shop to get built, or at least to get cleaned up so I can build it. So we're using the wife's winch up to a saw shackle and a pulley down over from the winch from the Jeep to pick it up, because I don't have a cherry picker at the moment. So this is my way of doing it for today. Get some of these other parts off of it I don't need. That's how the flywheel should have come off the other day, or the flex plate should have come off on the last. Put an old big block on it one time, and it looked like it was going to break. I gotta figure out how to get up there and get that down. Well, the next things you guys will see, I'll be taking it apart. Thanks for watching.